All right, guys. I've been out here about 10 minutes. So I'm starting to feel that the ducks are not the best company for the bees. I'm thinking that's duck poop. I don't know if it's geese. I don't know. But chickens, I think, are okay. They're not actually harming the bees by any means, I don't think. It's just all that poop on top. But the bees look, I mean, there's a lot going on in here. This is another couple of hives that I probably should put a queen excluder on and get all the bees to empty the brood out of the that medium top box that I have. I like to use those for supers, but it's okay. It'll be all right, you know. I picked up all the frames. I've stuck them in those two boxes right there on their sides. Because I got two boxes over there on the sides as well with a bunch of frames. The frames, a lot of them have dead brood in there. I don't see any wax moth larvae or anything like that because they're not gonna go in there with the when they were exposed to the sun and the wind like that. So pretty good, pretty well protected, I guess. I need to bring them home and freeze them at least once and sertan them. I'm taking some jars home inside of my Pro Nuke. I'm getting these ready for splits. So like I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna bring some more pallets over here. I got 3 more pallets at the house. Oh, let me think, hold on. Do I got 3 or got 2? Well, it doesn't matter. I got at least 2 more pallets. And I'll try to fill them all up with some bees this year. These bees look good. And so you see all the orange peels and things over there? That's all from Mr. Balderas' restaurant. He's a pretty organic guy. He has all kinds of compost piles and things like that. And I'm gonna bring some of that slum gum that I have when I made the beeswax and let him put that in there. You can use slum gum in your compost pile, but you have to treat it kind of like meat, like organic meat, which means you got to put it in the middle of the compost pile so it'll get the most heat and decompose it more thoroughly that way. Anyway, so I'm just rambling on here. Just a quick exit. If I can do it without these ducks getting out. Or these chickens. Or just geese. Are getting kind of angry at me. They hiss at you. I guess they don't like you. I don't know. Put this right here. All right, guys. Honey Jefe here. Thanks for watching.